going to the neutral. And I have this color just for all of you just tuning in. It's gel polish. You can definitely using it for the sweater pants. So I'm gonna using brush number 4 and draw a straight line. I mean straight line but diagonals. Are you doing it? What is the diamonds? I'm gonna see you do first.
Okay.
Or just like a diamonds, like a crystal scale shape. That's what you mean?
Yeah, no, like the 2 triangles. Wait, let me see. Hold on. I got a crystal. I can show you. Wait.
Like this one? Like this one, Dom? Like this? No?
Yes, yes.
Like that? Okay, let me try that.
That shape.
If not, I just put it in here. It's called sweater. All right, so let's see how we're gonna start that one with. Let me get the first one. Okay. Start right there. Like a 2 triangle, right?
Yes. 2 triangles, one on top of the other.
Okay.
This is gonna work. It's gonna have to work.
I'm gonna make it like a 3 dot. No, I'm gonna make it like, hold on, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I make a dot in the middle first. So for a lot of us will be not sure with the center. And then I'm gonna like make a dot in the center and then make 4 dot. 1, 2, 3, 4 across each other. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see, and then draw from the top down. And then towards the rest. So what number are you using a brush? Number 4?
4.
Do you think as a number 4 is cool, huh? Well, it's great to have all 12 of them, but just like in case that you have to pick one to draw the detail. Hit number 4. Okay, I have a first diamond. I know it's like this or not, but I got 1 diamonds right now. It's not that bad.
Nope. That was cool. That was easy to follow. That was good.
So we'll draw another one. So now you know you can do it is the on the edges it's had a little bit, so you just make it like just like a first triangle. That's it. It's cut off by the edges already, so you can't draw.
Oh, I know, right?
You know.
Because I'm about to do it again. I don't want to do it again. I need to top coat this. Let me fix it real quick.
Oh, because you didn't top coat. Make sure you top coat, okay? For all of us, make sure if you want to do a sweater or sugaring, make sure you top coat the nails first. So then when you sprinkle your powders on, if you want the matte looks, then you are going to top coat the matte first. But if you want to do a shiny, you are going to top coat the shiny however you would like, okay? Make sure you top coat first, so then it won't stick on your gel base that you have it. So I think is this on this second one, it's only have a space for 1 diamond. So I'm gonna just draw 1 diamond on this one. And I keep the brush like a flat, like a parallel with the nails. So you can draw it. Back when I start learning, I always like using the tip of the bristle only, Dom, so then it doesn't give it the right pressures. And you're always getting a hard time to paint it.
That is so smart. Okay, makes sense. Just light pressure.
Yeah.
And use a very tip. Okay. Got it. I'm curing now. I got a little bit to go. It was so fast.
I think it's a brush. It's to make it easy. So let me see if I can do 1 dot right there. Thank you, Dom, for joining with me today.
Thank you for having me. I really appreciate it.
I was like, it's funny. It's like, oh my God, I look, because I bet that we have a comment that I didn't get to read right now. But But you know that you can always, everyone can always DM us. Our team really good and active, and we're trying to help everyone out much as possible, fast as possible. Because sometimes when doing a live, then we'll have so many comments coming, we couldn't get to everyone. So don't be sad or upset that we didn't get your comments, and we are here for you. That's why we are going live. All right, so Dom, I don't know, should I add something else?
Yep.
Look,
I like it. I'm looking. I see. I'm trying to debate. I think it looks good.
You do how you like it. Oh my gosh, yours looks cool. Did you do it ombre?
I did an ombre, a gel ombre with baby blue and dark nude.
That is so awesome. It's like we just needed it of the Dare to Bear collection to make a perfect ombre for the whole collection. So I'm go ahead and sprinkle neutral, the matching 2-in-1 acrylics powders into the same matching gel that I just applied. This collection is so cool for a lot of you. Love nude collection is come. If you're getting the powder, I think you are receiving your acrylics primer and a crystal clear. Crystal clear is like the bomb. It's just so clear. It's not have any bubble. It's not turning yellow. And then if you are getting a gel, you love gels. Collection so much. When you get the gel, I believe you're getting a base coat and a top coat with the collections as well. That is awesome.
Oh wow! So you get set up with everything.
Yeah. So if you just want to stick with 6 colors, like I say, 6 colors is one you want to be like all of a solid 6 colors of a Dare to Bear collection, like really nice. I think it's work with all seasons. It doesn't have to be only in this season. It can be summer, spring, fall. So I'm go ahead and key my nails for 60 seconds after I sprinkle the powder on. When you sprinkle the powder, you can do it like 4 times. But give it a little bit of taps, like just tap it gently, and then you can key it for 60 seconds. And now it's ready.
I'm going to use the crystal clear that you said we can use earlier. So
yep, you can use crystal clear.
Colors. Okay.
So here is the patterns right now. It looks cool though. It looks so stunning. And then now I am moving here with all the crystal. I got it from the crystal kit, the newest one. It's a starter. Really cool, like ultimate crystal kit. It has all the filler SS in there for you as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the triple thick condensed gels. I love this when you're doing it with the cluster, a 3D, a portrait back crystal is definitely is going to like keep all your crystals stay. I think it maybe your nails might come off before the crystal is coming off.
Facts.
So like sometimes I like a heating accidentally to something that I do busy and cleaning and working, and I heat it and it hurts so bad. I said, oh my gosh, your nail's probably gonna have to say bye first before your crystal, because I said, how?
I literally have a whole nail that's in my little container that I keep all my nails in that came off, and the crystals are still there, but the nail broke.
Said bye.
I'm like, are you serious?
But they will stay there as a fact that okay. So now I'm getting like a size of the little beans. You think what is like is about size of the little? What is it basically the same size as you are going to put your crystal on? So I'm gonna do just a little of the top coat right on the top. You know, you can encapsulate and make a 3D dimension globes. I think Dom did it too. Did you? The designs with that.
The globe.
The globes. I'm gonna place that bows right there. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna do it like right here. I think. I'm gonna put some pearl in it.
This is fun.
Is that fun?
It is.
So what are you doing, or what are you right now? Where are you right now?
Still painting. Because I had to top coat.
Oh, you top coat it? Did you top coat it already? Oh, good.
I did. I did it this time. Last time I didn't top coat and it messed up.
So just really quick tip and trick for all of us who want to do the sweater nails or sugaring. It doesn't matter. Make sure you top coat it first.
So I'm going to put my nail down here so I don't destroy it. I'm going to open my powder.
Your clear powder.
This is crystal clear. And crystal clear is just so crystal clear. I don't know how else to explain it.
No bubbles.
It's so crazy. You said about 4 scoops.
You can scoop about four scoop times. So then that's why if you're not sure how much should you like sprinkle it on, just 4 times. It should be good because then it absorbing it enough. So
okay.
Then it's get. So I'm using the beads, which is that I get it from the kids. So I love this, how it had all of the beads.
I'm going to clean my palette.
My palettes have all the colors right here. At the moment.
I got 20 seconds left. It like takes forever for like 1 minute to go by on live.
Right?
But like if you're not on live, it just disappears.
Like, it's just so fast. So I love it how is.
That is breathtaking.
Is that cool? It's the 2 colors. So now I'm gonna show you some tip and trick. You can even using the right here in the kits. You can even using. Okay, hold on. Am I under the camera? Okay, good. Because sometimes I keep doing it and I didn't pay attention, and myself and the nail was somewhere else. Like, if somebody is not telling me, then I'm just keep talking and I say, Nancy, go back, you're out of frame. I say, I didn't see it.
Like, oops.
So you can add like a flat back crystal along with your 3D crystal. Just right there, because it's a flat surface there. And then with the condensed glue gel, it's just like take it right in. With here's some tip and trick working with the triple thick condensed glue gel. You don't have to really stress much because they're not running anywhere. So just gentle place it on. So you don't have to be really aggressive with this because it's not going anywhere and it's not running. So you do not have to chase it. So that's the best thing about. And then you can take your time and add more crystal as you prefer. This way it makes your crystal placements like experience much more fun instead of just, oh my gosh, it's so horrible. It keep running and it keeps just falling apart and it's not going. So I'm gonna adjusting it until I'm happy with this. And then we are going to flash cure this beauty for like 30 seconds.
Okay.
Look at that.
I don't have the triple thick, you guys. I have the traditional
Oh,
condensed glue gel, just so you guys can No.
Yeah, Dom, sorry. But you will get soon, Dom. Because we all get a triple thick. You know why? We go
Why?
to the shows. Dom will come with us next year. Well, and then I think it was in was that yeah, it was in the shows and then at the store that we have a special is for the grand opening, remember? That's why. And then at the shows. But no, you will get it. We'll get you.
I was having a baby, you guys.
Yes.
I missed that.
Yes, baby Eli is more important than triple thick condensed glue gel. We'll get triple thick later. We gotta get baby first. Right?
Get baby out. Yes.
So look at that. Is that cute? So now, if I don't want it to really get into my sweater, I can shape it up a little bit. It's great that you can, like a little bit, you can still manipulating it the way you want it before you key anything, which is I love about it. Okay. Just adjusting a little bit. Good. I am going to key.
Uh-oh. I shouldn't have done that.
What did you do?
I tried to get the pearl out the middle, and then I pushed all the crystals away, and they just slid. Because I pushed them.
Push it harder. Just a little bit. You don't have to do really hard. Because sometimes it push it hard, it's just like... It's just too much for it. I mean, too aggressive. Just up a little bit, Dom. Like, forward, I mean. Yes. Let me see. No, we're still missing you.
Okay, hold on. Yeah. There. Right there.
Yes. Oh, hold on. Let me... In the meantime, I am going to...
I'm being difficult.
I'm gonna do the bonus nails. What were we talking about bonus nail?
We were.
A sweater nails, which is blue, fancy blue. So I'm gonna wipe off all the residues.